Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Are you looking for an easy way to skyrocket email list growth and generate qualified leads without having to create additional resources? With OptinMonster's Content Lock, you can use the content you're already publishing. You can gate part of your content and make it available to subscribers only. Our customers have used gated content to more than double their conversion rates and add thousands of new subscribers. Just take a look at these case studies. By gating your existing high-value content, you can ensure that you're targeting high-quality leads. And depending on which piece of content people want to unlock, you'll know what offers to send them next. When gating your content, you can either blur the content below the opt-in form or remove it altogether. You can even draw extra attention to your opt-in campaign with OptinMonster's Attention Activation. This will highlight the campaign by fading the page as your visitor scrolls past it. Lead generation just doesn't get much easier than this. OptinMonster works on all types of websites, and we have integrations with all the major email marketing service providers. So, are you ready to boost email subscriber numbers and increase conversions with gated content? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.